Guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be watching a Naruto and Sasuke hookup. Don't mind this part, okay? I'll just go in theater mode. Okay? Okay, here we go. A sleepover. A sleepover, okay. From his head. The big brain of Naruto. Ooh, what is it? Yeah. Oh, wait. This is, wait, what? When did Naruto and Sasuke become friends? I thought they were rivals. I gotta tell you something. This heart and this heart tells me everything. There's gonna be kissing, and there's gonna be the pumping of the bodies. So yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. The Academy. That was the first series of Naruto. Wait, now she's stalking me? Wait, what? Now she be stalking Naruto? Yes, a scratched chin never gets old. Seven p.m. 7 a.m. Oh, I got it right, 7 p.m. Hey. Oh, it's actually 7 p.m. for me right now. Apparently. We're gonna be stopping right here, guys, at 9:55 seconds in. Right here. Okay. When it reaches 9:55, we're gonna make a part 2, okay? My bro Sasuke. He not tripping. He's stating facts. You're tripping. He's passing up caps. He's passing up caps. Those are caps. We know Sasuke likes, well, duh, cause like later on they get married, so yeah, they have a child. Wait, no, do they have a child? Oh yeah, they do. Cochina. Hey, exactly. Damn, bro. You messing up this opportunity? Oh, shit. Squiggly lines. That is not good. No, you say Nard. You say what's up, too. What's up, Toe? Oh, they're probably getting all those perfume on. They're probably getting some. They're gonna get some oh, what are they called? Condoms. Probably gonna get. They're gonna pack. They're packing up millions of boxes of condoms. What the hell is Leaflet's plot? You could have just said freaking Netflix. We all know a freaking Naruto broke at foot. All I had is a freaking instant ramen. And chips. Exactly. Hinata all over Naruto. Like, bro, when she gets close to Naruto, hello, Naruto, Oh, it's the Moni girl. Okay, what's up, Mrs. Moni girl? Rats. Raditz is not at the door. If he was, he would bust down the door and start freaking galactic. He would start beaming you out of the freaking sky. Wait, can Raditz do a galactic gun? Hi, Sasuke-kun! Crossing fingers. No, you say what's up, girl. They're not your girl. The only girl you got is freaking Hinata the big breast. Yeah. Okay? Have a seat on like... Oh, I thought they were gonna say some what? They're gonna see some freaking porn or something. Okay. I'm gonna make it moan tonight. Stop! Your life is stuttering. No. You're just a stray dog that can't even pet people. Wait, what? In America, you pet dog. and Soviet Russia. Dog pet you. What the heck is Layflex Plus? Is there, wait. Okay, guys. Okay, you got this? Hold up, okay? You see this, guys? You see me searching up Leaf, okay? You got a Leaf. Okay? You see those? Uh-huh. And then... Okay, you see this? Leaflex Plus. I don't know what this guy is doing, but wait. I don't know what. Okay. Okay. Shut up! You guys are scaredy cats. What's up with the boys watching freaking Chucky? Like the new 2020 movie is just the freaking dogs is terrifying, bro. And then we still watch it. Oh, is there gonna be some romantic stuff being? Is there romantic stuff about to happen? After something sexual happens, I'm gonna stop the video. And then we'll end there, okay? Like they literally be on the same couch, but both of the girls be. No? Huh? Oh! Oh God! Oh gosh! Okay. We're gonna end here, okay? Subscribe to this boy. You know what? I'm gonna do it, okay? Okay. Oh my God. Okay, you see this? Okay, you see this? Guys, subscribe to this. It's Sodiiium, okay, guys? Subscribe to him. He's a good YouTuber. And yeah. thank you guys for watching. And before, I'm gonna subscribe to this boy. What's up, my guy? If you see this video, I thank you for making these vids. And I'm not sure about this vid, but I mean, you're a good YouTuber overall. And goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And please sub to this guy. I'm not sure what happened here, but okay, bye.